I am turning this into a sling pouch. Let's do it. All right, so here is the pouch that we are using for this DIY project, and inside this pouch are some brushes that I'm not using currently, and also the towel that it came with when I received it as a gift with purchase. And this towel is really great and also perfect for the purpose of this pouch, which is going to be a water bottle pouch for my hiking. By the way, if you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your Dior beauty shopping experience. So if you love Dior beauty, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the great Dior deals. Let's go back to our craft. All right, so next I just need to figure out where to poke those holes for my D-ring and for my strap. And here is the strap that I've been using. I've had this for a while. I used to sell some straps, bag straps, accessories in my Etsy shop, and this is one of them. I no longer have that Etsy shop, but yes, and I love this. The gold tone is just right, not very flashy, and I think the color combination is just perfect. Now let's choose the hardware or the D-ring that I will be using for this pouch, but I think I already know which one I'm gonna use, and it's the only one right here. This gold tone of this hardware matches the hardware of the strap, so I think it will be perfect. I also like that it's more of a rectangle. And these are the rest of the hardware I'll be needing to attach this ring on the pouch, and also comes with some screws. These ones are very small though, so I might have to replace them. Here's another option. I love the double D-ring, however I think it's too shiny for what I need. And here's the hole puncher that I'm using. I think I got it from Harbor Freight, and this piece of wood I will use to protect my work surface when punching, and also need a mallet when punching holes. Now I've decided to mark the holes I'll be punching with this very pointy tool, and I am using the hardware that came with the D-ring as a template for the holes that I'm punching. And as an alternative, you could also take measurement. As you can see, I use like a white marker to measure the distance of the holes that I'll be poking. The next step is to actually punch the holes, and there are other tools that you could use that does not require any mallet. It's easier, but this is what I already have, and I didn't want to buy something else and just use it because it still works. And there you have it. We have the clean holes, and some could go just using this pointy tool. So if you have any pointy tool at home, it should work, and you might not need any punch holes. And for the next step, we just need to drill the screws to the hardware. Now, I mentioned earlier that the screws are super tiny, and it's actually very challenging to get it to the hardware, and so I think I will need a little bigger screws. Luckily, I have this one. As you could see, it's almost double or triple the size of the original screws, and it's from this hardware right here. Very unfortunate that this is silver. It would be a nice hardware to use for this one for sure, but I'll just get the screws for now. As you could see here, it worked, and now I just need to do the other side, and it should be easier to do it now since I was able to successfully add the first D-ring. If you are loving this video so far, please hit that like button, and if you see the hype icon there, please hype this video so many more of our Dior beauty lover friends will find this video and enjoy the same perks that we do in this channel. I promise I will not spam you with whatever videos, but unless you ask me to do something else, then maybe I will. So Thanks again for those who will like this video and for those who are subscribed. Now, let's go back to our crafting. As you can see, you just need to add the screws first and then align it to the hardware outside or the D-ring. And then screw them, make sure they're tight. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. If you have any questions, let me know. I know this DIY is not very detailed. I promise I'll improve myself. And here we go. Let's add this strap and we are finished. Like I've said, I will do my best to find the strap and link it in the description below or also in the first comment. But I think I love this. It looks great. The gold tone is just the right shade. Very excited to use this. And here it is, our finished project. As you can see, we have the hardware there. And I will try my best to find the strap. I bought this long time ago, so I don't know if they're still available. So I'll check Etsy, Amazon, and see if something similar at least is available for you to purchase. Or if you already have a bag with similar kind of strap, then you could just use that. And as you've seen when I was making this, I had to replace the screws, and it seems like it worked, so hopefully it stays intact. But yeah, here you go. And I have a Starbucks bottle here, and it fits perfectly. It will still have a little bit of room for maybe a card holder, your car keys, and little makeup necessities like lip balm or lipstick. But yes, I am really looking forward to using this next time we hike, and I think it'll be amazing to be able to carry a water bottle hands-free. Unfortunately, not available in the US, but for those who are in Canada, you can only claim this once at the Dior BEauty Canadian website, and the promo code is Sauvage24 for your minimum purchase of 150 Canadian dollars, and it comes with a towel, so really perfect for hiking. So there you go. And in the US, we also have a Sauvage pouch. It's a different one, and the promo code is RAOCT25, RAOCT25, and you'll get the blue Sauvage pouch for your minimum purchase of $130. I hope you enjoy that DIY that we did, and I'll do my best to do more of those because I know that a lot of you like those kind of content. Stay tuned for those. Alrighty, thanks again for staying with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.